Hey everybody, once again John Haynes from the Al and Ed's Autosound corporate offices, and I've got on my desk a new subwoofer from Infinity. It's their 8-inch reference series, but this is kind of a special sub. So a lot of cars that come with factory subwoofers, usually they're going to be an 8-inch subwoofer. Some of them are under the seat, like BMW for example. Some of them are in the rear of the car, some of the SUVs, but none of those subwoofers are really very good. And it really doesn't matter how expensive the car is. They're all pretty average subwoofers. So if you want to upgrade the bass in your car, carry a little bit more power, but still keep the factory locations, this is basically a factory replacement 8-inch subwoofer kit with a special twist. Let's open the box and I'll show you what's cool about this new Infinity subwoofer. Okay, that was pretty easy. Here I have in my hand the Infinity Reference-8. This is a DS. Also comes in a single voice coil. So this is a replacement subwoofer for factory 8-inch subs, and it's a polypropylene woofer cone, rubber surround, has RMS power of 150 watts. So you can deliver 150 watts continuous power to this woofer with a 600 watt peak. So it's pretty robust as far as its design. On the back end of this woofer here, you'll notice it doesn't have a huge magnet or motor assembly back here. Again, there's restrictions in space in cars when you're doing replacement subwoofers, but this is a neodymium style magnet, so it has lots of pull power. So again, it's an 8-inch subwoofer, but what's cool about this sub is this is really adjustable to all kinds of different cars. So you'll see here this little copper tab here, and you might wonder what that is. But if I pull that out, that basically releases the flange on the subwoofer, right? And if I take this off, I can now change the height of the subwoofer. And I'll put it all together, but you can see you can adjust the height of the actual subwoofer up and down within the flange. So this is the part that mounts to the enclosure or the car, and then you might find that the subwoofer is too deep, or you might find you need to have more clearance on top. So this piece allows you to open this up and actually change the mounting height of this subwoofer. And it's a little tight, so well, it's supposed to be actually, so but that's how it works. And you snap it all back together, and you've changed the height of your 8-inch subwoofer. It's pretty cool. In the box, it includes a reference and an owner's manual, of course. It comes either in a single 2-ohm voice coil or a dual 2-ohm voice coil, so it's pretty flexible. You can buy one or the other, same price. These are $149 retail. And you even get, besides the owner's manual, a pair of Infinity stickers for your windows of your car. That's pretty cool. So this is the Infinity REF Reference 8-inch selectable subwoofer series, available in 2-ohm and dual 2-ohm. And again, with this mounting flange, it can be taken apart and moved, up and down to different, take it off actually, moved up and down, and they have little ridges on the side here, so this really locks into place. You can actually change the mounting height of the subwoofer assembly, and then this snaps back together and you can bolt it down. So these are available at all Al and Ed's Autosound stores from Infinity, which is a legacy brand. A legacy brand is any brand that's been around as long as I have, and Infinity's one of those brands everybody recognizes, very, very good quality, right? Made by Harman Kardon Group. And you can find out more information on this piece on our website, which is al-eds.com. Once again, thanks for watching our little video.